in this video, I really wanted to share my glow tips with you guys because festive season is just around the corner. Diwali is almost here, guys. So these tips and tricks are really gonna help you get beautiful glowing skin, not only just for your face but also for your body. So without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in. The first hack which I really wanted to share with you guys is my absolutely favorite one, is to use aloe vera gel and oil. Now what I do is I take a little bit of oil, which is usually coconut oil, and mix some aloe gel into it. And if you do not like to use the aloe gel available in the market, then you can pluck a leaf, the gel out and mix it with a little bit of oil. Apply it on your body or on your face. Aloe vera has lots of vitamin E, C and beta carotene, which not only helps in nourishing your skin but it also helps in anti-aging. Now when winters are just around the corner, just use this hack and have beautiful and nourished skin.
Now guys, I want to introduce you all to this Upton range by Wow Skin Science. It has almond powder, saffron, rose water, turmeric and chickpea flour. So the first thing I'm going to be using here is this face wash, which is made up of all the natural ingredients, do not have any harmful chemicals. It consists of a silicone brush on the top, which is going to remove all the impurities you have deeply embedded in your pores and give you healthy glow. After that, I am gonna follow it up with this Upton face and body scrub by Wow Skin Science, and it has chickpea flour, which helps in removing dead skin cells and also the fine hair you have on your face. I am gonna take a little bit here and apply it all on my face. It smells amazing, guys. I felt like eating it. And it has almond powder, which has anti-aging properties as it is rich in vitamin E. I will massage it on my face for good 2 to 3 minutes, and it also has turmeric and saffron, which helps in evening out your complexion and gives you a very soft glow. Now the last thing I'm going to be using here is this Upton face and body pack, which again consists of all the natural ingredients and helps in imparting healthy glow to your face. It again has no harmful chemicals, no animal testing. The products are made in India and it doesn't have any parabens or sulfate. Here I am going to be taking this face pack, will apply it all over my face. I will leave it for good 10 to 15 minutes and after that I'll wash it off. It has rose water, which helps in firming up your skin, evens out complexion and gives you a beautiful glow in the end. So be wow naturally.
Next hack is for hair, guys. Now the scalp gets very flaky, the season is getting dry, so whenever you hop in the shower for shampoo, just add a little bit of coconut oil in your shampoo. Now it is going to sound very weird to you, but it doesn't let your hair dry. But if you're someone with already having oily scalp, then you must skip this. But for someone like me who's going to have extremely dry scalp in the winters, going to be a lot of buildup and dandruff of course, so this hack works absolutely amazing for me. So yes, if you have dry or normal scalp in the winters, it is gonna get drier. So when you take some shampoo, add 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil and you're good to go. Now coming to the feet, guys, we all have experienced dry and cracked heels in the winters and even in the summers. Whenever the season is dry, I get them all the time. And for that, I'm going to be telling you a very simple hack. All you need to do is take some petroleum jelly and apply a thick layer on your feet. Now put some socks on and leave it overnight. In the morning, your skin is going to be very, very soft. The next hack is going to be for dry lips. Now, dry lips is going to be a nightmare in this dry season, and for a Diwali glow up, I am going to be telling you a very simple trick to do. Now what you can do is either you can make your scrub, or here is a very simple tip which I'm going to be telling you: apply lip balm when you sleep. So in the night, make sure that you're nourishing your lips and you're applying some lip balm, so in the morning you can have beautiful lips. If you do not nourish them, they are going to be chapped. So this is something we already know, common sense but not a common practice. So this is something I want to emphasize on. And yes, you can make a sugar scrub at home. Now it's very simple, you all know this. Take some sugar and add some honey into it and few drops of coconut oil if you want. Coconut oil is a lifesaver for me. and apply it on your lips, scrub it for some time, and it is going to give you a beautiful base for your lipstick, because festive season, who do not want to wear a lipstick now? My last hack is to have beautiful teeth and healthy breath. Now I do oil pulling all the time with coconut oil. Now it's very simple. You guys must have heard Anushka Sharma telling about oil pulling. This is how I got into it. So just take a little bit of oil in the morning, keep it on your mouth, just do. Okay, I'm not able to recall the word. I'm so sorry for that. Just keep it in your mouth for 10 minutes and it is gonna make sure that your teeth stay healthy. And if there is any kind of buildup, it is gonna remove that. And there are studies which shows that it helps in giving you whiter and brighter teeth, of course. So it is going to be very helpful. So these were all the tips and tricks I wanted to share with you guys this festive season. Make your Diwali beautiful, flaunt yourself, and I hope you guys have a great time. If you want me to bring out more of these hacks, tips and tricks for you guys, do let me know in the comments down below. I love doing these for you, and I will see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you guys so much.